How to choose the right cordless tools in 3, 2, 1. So I got a small variety. I got a couple Dewalt tools, some Milwaukee tools, and a couple Porter cable tools. And the biggest question that arises is like, hey Dan, how do you know what to choose? Like, there's so many options at Home Depot and Lowe's and on Amazon. What do I choose? And what I tell them is, well, do you have a brand you like already? Do you have a friend that uses a certain brand? A lot of it's personal preference. And then when you get down to it, what tools am I going to need for what I'm doing? So why I got 3 different ones was at one time I got this kit because it came with 2 batteries. And then I bought another tool without a battery because I had to, and I wasn't going to use all 3 tools at the same time. So that was a good idea. And then I found a nice combo kit online. Thought I'd try them out, and it worked good for a while. And then the batteries are just not up to par. Nothing wrong with that brand. I'm not getting paid for any of these brands for this video. So then I decided, okay, if I get a combo kit, and maybe I get an electric trimmer for my house for the grass cutting, and I need a blower, then why don't I just get a combo kit or all the tools I'm going to need so I can use all the same batteries? So that's what I did. I found a really good deal on Amazon for the Milwaukee kit. A lot of times you'll get your drill and driver, impact driver, drill. They usually just come with a regular drill, and I needed a hammer drill because I was doing some concrete fastening with Tapcon, so that's why I got that. And when you get that combo kit, you want to know how many batteries do I get with it. Are they the 3 amp hour, 5 amp hour, 6 amp hour? And then are they all compatible with the same battery? Then you can make that decision of, okay, do they make this tool and that tool? Usually DeWalt, Milwaukee, they make hundreds of different tools, and that's the decision you want to make. And then charging, does it come with a charger? And be careful when you buy some of them, because sometimes it says tool only. So if you're buying a tool for the first time and you don't have a battery, you're going to end up buying a charger with batteries. Or if you're smart about it, you can find, like I said, the drill and driver combos, and they usually come with batteries and the charger. So then you're set up. Yeah, pricing is all over the place. Anywhere. I got this decent combo kit for the Milwaukee, which I needed that saw, the Sawzall, the multi-tool, grinder, drill and driver, and a flashlight. It was like just under $500. So that was a good idea. So that's what you got to look at. Hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.